Welcome to the Embedded World in Nuremberg 2016. I am here in front of the SECO booth and I am supposed to meet Gianluca Venere. Hi, Gianluca.
Hi, Carolina.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So this year we are here every year at Embedded World just to show our new products and solution for the market, embedded, industrial, automotive, gaming, medical. Our new products, new solution based on our suppliers, Intel, AMD, TI, Freescale, NVIDIA. And we have many solutions to propose for this new market, let me say, like IoT and...
IoT is a big topic all over.
Exactly. So I would like to start with our new platforms dedicated for the IoT market.
Something.
Okay. SECO confirms its market leadership in low power, small form factor solution, being the main supplier, the main designer for Q7 form factor. In fact, SECO was one of the inventor of this form factor, and also really active in the SGAT, Standardization Group for Embedded Technologies. For the SGAT, SECO was the designer of the reference board, the new one that we have here, where we show our Intel-based Atom platforms, starting from the Bay Trail up to the new one, the new Apollo Lake. So it's a brand new solution that will be being in early access. We are releasing now for the first time in the embedded market. And also here we have the Micro Q7 solution based on Intel Bay Trail. It's the, let me say, the Just line. Just line is a special line for low power, low cost solution. What does it mean, Just Embedded line? Just Embedded line is a proprietary module cost for standard form factor. So entire portfolio, starting from standard Q7, Bay Trail, new Apollo Lake, and the mini Q7, the offsides. Moving forward to our SECO is also active on COM-Express form factor. And here we are introducing the new generation of, starting from Atom family for ruggedized solution, -40, +85, COM-Express Type 6 compact form factor, up to the new generation of Intel I-Core solution, starting from Intel Haswell, Intel Broadwell, and now the new Intel Skylake. So the top of the I-Core families, from i3 up to i7. And we also here have we introduced the Xeon family for server, targeted for server market. At the end, there is also, for legacy project, our ETX solution, where in order to provide to old design or legacy design, the improved replacement based on Intel Atom Bay Trail in extended temperature range with the RAM soldered on board. Continuing thanks to our new partnership with Intel, because now are becoming associate member in the Intel Alliance, we are really proud to be one of the main designer for the gateway solution based on Intel Moon Island platforms. Intel Moon Island platform is the new platform for the IoT gateways, where we can guarantee safe and secure connectivity from the gateway to the cloud, having a secure connection between the device to the gateway. Here we have some reference design based on Intel Bay Trail and Quark family, and also some real product based on this technology with, thanks to our partnership with the big ecosystem of software, as they provide software application for the IoT market. Moving also, SECO is really active in SGAT, the Standardization Group for Embedded Technologies. We have introduced the Embedded NUC, is the standard number 3 in the organization. And being a leader in this organization, we have a concrete solution based on Intel Braswell. It's also able to be a gateway when it's necessary, high-speed data for camera, for security application, but also for multimedia, because it has the 4K capabilities in the 3 display contemporary. Finishing our Intel portfolio product, this is the brand new UDOO board SECO is is the inventor of the UDOO community board. It's very famous in the maker communities. And this is the evolution at the top of our technology based on Intel Braswell CPU plus Curie. In fact, SECO is one of the European OEM for Curie technology. It's the new microcontroller architecture made by Intel for new device, really low power, to be integrated in the wearable and in the smart device, really low power. Thanks to our leadership in CommExpress form factor, we are really proud to introduce this cross-platform carrier board for CommExpress Type 6. It's the first, maybe a unique product available in the market where you can use x86 and ARM-based CommExpress. We use the best of technology for ARM 64-bit NVIDIA Tegra TK1 in Type 6 compact form factors. It's a new 64-bit with high graphics made by NVIDIA, well known for the self-driving solution. In fact, NVIDIA is the leader for self-driving in the automotive market. And also the new AMD CommExpress Compact Type 6 based on AMD Merlin Falcon. Both solutions can be plugged on the same carrier board, saving compatibility in terms of pinout assignment. And they are both solutions perfect for high graphics application. This one is more low power, this one is more for multi-display 4K supported. Going forward, here we have other examples of our capabilities with also other suppliers like AMD, because we are also partnered with AMD. Here there is the new Q7 based on the Step Eagle, is the GX family, is the evolution of the GX family, and is the new one that we are introducing now in the market. He has an increase of the graphics performance and the best performance power consumption ratio. This is the version in single board, is a Pico-ITX form factor. So modular solution, single board solution for an easy integration and for panel PC applications. Here we have the two ARM solution. One is based on Q7, standard one 7x7. Another one is a micro Q7 form factor. Is an MX6 solution in two different form factors, but with two different capabilities. This one is more for small, for high integration. This one for ruggedized solution, because the BOM is full industrial. Moving forward, we are also really proud to announce our strategy working the community board like UDOO and providing for customers that decide to move on industrial version of the UDOO community board. This is the brand new solution that comes from UDOO NEO. It's the industrial version of UDOO NEO. New form factor, very useful because it's able to integrate inside, behind the panel solution. It's in MX6 6X with a dual core. One is a Cortex A9, another one is M4 cores. Very used for industrial application, and is necessary a real-time core that can manage the industrial PLCs or other application where the real-time system is necessary. And that one is our families that come from, this one is A62. It's a single board that comes from UDOO and is an open hardware solution like that one, and is well known because you can use all software, open source software adopted in UDOO technology also for this board. We have here also the other two examples of the just embedded parts. Is a special products that we have, really cost effective for low budget design, where it's necessary to have a proprietary module cost, but in a standard form factor. In this case, we are a fully Q7 compliant. This one based on Freescale MX6 solution, this one based on Intel Bay Trail solution. All these solutions are designed to be integrated behind the panel PCs, because SECO can offer also services integrating panel display starting from 7-inch up to the big screen, 18, 20, and so on. So that's our strategy for this year. We have all products are ready for shipment, so you can start to design by now. You have only to order using our website. Thanks for your attention.